Susu on the vibe.
I'm trying to.
I know the rush, my timing divine. Everything set, I'm ahead of my time. 0 to millions, I design. Now my life sweet like sugar and wine. Them in doubt, now then they watch. Every move, steady going up. No be much. Attention, attention, if you're not spending money, go, go.
It's feeling like
Susu on the vibe. I know the rush, my timing divine. Everything set, I'm ahead of my time. From 0 to millions, I design. Now my life sweet like sugar and wine. Them in doubt, now then they.
I'm trying to vlog in public. I know it's a bit embarrassing, but I'm trying to. And I'm using my back camera. That's the craziest part of it all.
Cause I cross the board. If you no be money, I beg you no call. I'm in my zone, I know we pause. Pressure, I know I dey cool my mind. Money they come, I know they chase em. Soft life only, that's my vibe. Everything I line, I know they force em. Pressure, I know they see the way I shine. God they bless, you know be by plan. From the hustle now we they fly. Now a big girl understand. Private trips, I they book my flight. Anytime I move, now first class life. No more stress, I don't pay my price. Now my story, they motivate life. They want to know how I do my thing. Consistency and discipline. I turn smaller days to big, big wins. Now my name, they ring for this scene. And I be
Yeah.
Yeah, I brought a jacket in my bag.
Oh,
Yeah, I thought you might need one.
I know a while now.
Don't worry now.
I'm with you, sir.
everything I line, I know they force some. Pressure, I know they see the way I shine.
So I got something for you. What do you think is it?
She got a bag for me, but I don't know what it is. It's like a purple bag with some pink edges. It says yes, true.
So what do you think is inside?
Inside there's snacks inside the bag.
Have I given you the snacks yet?
No, I haven't. She hasn't given me the snacks yet. But I wonder when she'll give me yet.
One.
This is one snack, and it's called. It's like.
That's a gummy.
Yeah, it's a gummy. This is a hot gummy, eh?
So this is the main gift.
What is this? Don't tell me it's a new book. That is what I was looking to buy since last week, and you just bought it already. And she bought me some coloring pens, and it's really cute because it has a little panda on here, and you can open it from this panda lid.
Do you like it?
Huh?
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Thank you.
When did you think I was going to buy it before? You thought I was going to buy it on the 31st.
Yeah. And you bought it yesterday. And she bought some more stuff for me. She bought this.
That's for me.
That's for her. And she bought more stuff for herself too.
Yeah.
She bought this for herself. I thought you said you don't.
That's not chocolate. That's
Cappuccino. And she bought another one with strawberry. And she bought this one. It's
white chocolate.
white chocolate. She bought white chocolate.
So I'm going to let me cover my hair. So I'm going to the not the UK. I'm going to London Sorry. There's just a lot going on right now. But yeah, I'm going to London tomorrow. Tomorrow is 31st. So yes, I am going back to London and I'll be back here on the 1st. So now I want to pack my bag. I don't have so much I'm taking. Probably just a shirt, extra shirt. Or I might just even take... I might not even take anything. I'll wear Elizabeth's shirt. But yeah, let me just get the clothes I'm going to wear to London. And yeah, I'm having a very serious conversation with Ella, which is why my mood is a bit shitty. So yeah.
So we'll put some water, then we'll put the fish. The problem now is, the reason why I'm using this flat is to get the fish steam and cook, and it won't break. Do you understand? So
I feel poisonous.
I'm going to drink it.
You know, so what you mash a seafood platter?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, the ball bed now. I put the egg to swallow it. To swallow it with the egg.
Gbogbo ẹja yìí lẹ́bẹ̀ẹ́ bìí ni.
This red sniper. This is coca. No, yeah. This tilapia. This is coca. And this is egg fish also inside. So now I'm even confused. I put the egg fish. This fish here. So this egg here, I'm pouring. The when it's cooked this way, I will pour water.
The washing my for? Like a giant?
No. It's not too. So that's put season inside because the fish is actually seasoned already. So when this one is a bit cooked, I'll get them out so that it won't break. Ready because it does not eat
Cooked fish.
fresh fish. So the only thing is when I'm putting this okra, the okra is of two types. It's the same thing. One is I've grated it, so this one is half, you can see, chopped. Then this is more blended. Can you see? So that's just it. I'm cooking all this. So that means that fish is not too much. Don't tell me. Okra, okay.
Yeah, I don't need much time on top fire.
Yeah, exactly.
Please call us for your event. Thanks. Everybody. With the Zari bounce is okay. Okay.
Bye. I know the rush, my timing divine. Everything set, I'm ahead of my time. From 0 to millions, I design. Now my life sweet like sugar and wine. Them been doubt, now then they watch.